Transmission filter goes in the truck like this, and it just sits right on that lip. Remember, this is going in there, so I'm just going to be careful while I'm filming, while I bring it up on under here. And this is what the inside of my 2000 F150 transmission looks like with the pan off. For some reason there was still fluid in the pan and they had removed the filter, which is kind of odd how there's that much oil in there, or fluid, but it just goes right in. Am I upside down? Or do I have to take that cap off? Guess I'm gonna, it must sit on this.